Hello, myself Dr. Rashri, Assistant Professor in Bharatiya College of Education, Udhampur. Today we will discuss about the gender-based school and education. Before the discuss about gender-based education, we will discuss what is the difference between gender and sex. According to Leonard Sachs, he is a biologist and the educationist also. He said the sex is you can identify only a first look like male and female. Sex is the related or referred to biological differences like a chromosomes, hormonal profiles, internal and external sex organs, etc. Vice versa, gender is masculine and feminine. Both are the sociological aspects. Like we can describe the sociologically the characteristic that society or culture determined as a masculine or feminine. Because the gender is a sociological aspect, so gender based education affected so many factors. So some like a child nature affect is gender, abilities, disabilities, intelligence and temperament also. If you can talk about one individual and you want to describe as a gender, these all factor will affect this individuality and personality also. Sociological aspect also affect the gender based education like nature of parent, nature of society, socioeconomic status, culture and stereotype status of the society. So what is gender based education? You can say gender based education is a single sex education. There gender based education is the practice of conducting education where male and female students attend separate classes or in separate building or school. Gender based education is started in 19th century. We have some historical aspects also. First Women's Medical College of Pennsylvania in 1850 were the first medical institution in the world established to term women in medicine and offer them the MD degree also. So we have some historical aspect related to this. So why we have need to single gender schools? So some point we will discuss like some parents don't want their children to be in mixed gender schools because especially at certain age student for the opposite sex can be the distraction. Next, according to Leonard Sachs, single sex education enhances student success when teachers use techniques geared toward the gender to their students. Girls prefer collaborate and discuss based learning while boys can dominate discussion and group based. Some researches indicate that girls learn better when classroom temperature is warm while boys perform better in cooler classrooms. Next, single sex education can burden the educational prospects for both girls and boys. So, why do gender based teaching? If we will give the same sex education, a single sex education, then the some result we can gain like gain in achievement scores. For example, if we will give the single sex education for girls or boys, so girls and boys can achieve the more score in comparative to co-ed education. Next is gain in attendance also, because some girls don't want to attend the class with the boy. So if we will give the gender based teaching, the girls or boys can gain the attendance also in classroom situation. Decrease in off task behavior, enhanced self esteem and self worth. Gain are dependent on grade and age level. If we want to single sex teaching or education, we have so many challenges like focused academic curriculum, achievement in single sex classes, and closing the gender gap. Focus academic curriculum, that means how to prepare the separate curriculum for the girl or boys. Next, achievement in single sex classes. If we want to single sex classes or schools, we will have to prepare the building or classroom also for girls and boys. Next, we closing the gender gap. If we will if we will do the separate the boys and girls, how they will know about us, how they will do the work with us, how they will face the social problem together. So these are all are the challenges for the single sex education. We know we have so many challenges, but some advantage also we have for about the single gender classroom or education, like less pressure on student, reduce the distraction, students can concentrate more on their study. If we will teach boys and girls separately, they can focus our course and study also. Next, more comfort level learning by their own capability. They will not distract about the sex, so they can concentrate the our capability in our study. Reduce the gender violence in educational institute. Yes, this is a very big problem in the co-ed education and higher education also we can see this type of problems. We have advantage. Second phase is disadvantage also have single gender classroom or education. First is students might find it hard to immerse in the real world. You know, if they will separate to uh, on the behalf of gender or sex, so how can they will face the entire world? So this is a very big challenge for the single sex education. Next is there will be lack of interaction with the opposite gender. Yes, always the society will develop male with the male and female. Then how can we can separate a boy and girl or female or female? So this is a very big challenge or disadvantage also of single sex education. There is the possibilities of stereotyping, another notable drawback. Yes, stereotype is a disease of the human behavior. It's a very big disease. If the gender will not interact together, so they will
Not
it will happen. They will have stereotype characteristics also. So today we discussed about the single sex education or gender based education. These we had some discussion about some advantage and disadvantage also. So I hope you will like this description. Thank you.